Good morning, Finance Operations Team. Here are today's most critical observations fresh from our SAP Cloud ERP Lab. First, our current picture shows continued instability in receivables quality and data consistency. In the latest period, we still see open amounts in the process data, inconsistent overdue behavior, and no meaningful invoice clearing automation. Automation remains effectively at zero across the timeline, which means the team is still carrying too much manual effort. Second, over the longer period, performance has been volatile. In mid-2025, we had weeks with zero overdue invoices and full clearing, but this was interrupted by spikes in open overdue amounts. For example, at the end of June and again in mid-July. Through 2026, the pattern continues. Several weeks show 100% no payment rates, open overdue invoices, and cycle times jumping from less than a day to nearly a month. That level of variation suggests process control issues, not just customer payment behavior. Third, looking specifically at the last week versus the prior observed week, overdue invoice count improved from 2 to 0. That is positive. However, total open amount still remains at around 248, and cleared amount is still 0. Also, the data itself shows structural quality issues, null values, NaN fields, negative DSO values, and contradictory combinations such as no overdue invoices while open amounts remain. Recommended actions for this week. 1. Launch a focused cleanup of master data and KPI logic, especially payment terms, overdue calculation, DSO, and automation reporting. 2. Review all currently open items above threshold and assign clear owners for collection and resolution. 3. Introduce a daily exception huddle for overdue invoices, cancellations, reversals, and invoices without payment activity. 4. Prioritize quick wins in invoice clearing automation, starting with matching rules for recurring customers and standard payment references. 5. Track one operational target this week. Reduce open overdue invoices to 0 with validated root cause for every exception. Bottom line, we are seeing some short-term improvement in overdue counts, but process reliability and data quality remain the main operational risk. This week's priority is to restore trust in the numbers and tighten follow-up on open items.